Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to Math class, grade 4, chapter 1, Building with Bricks. At last class, what we seen in this chapter 1? Shall we recall once? Yes. Look at this image. This two. So both are different types of buildings. Which material used to make these buildings? Wood, brick, cement, mud, stone and glass. So these materials are used to make a building. Look at this brick. How many phases are there in this brick? 6 phases totally. And then how many vertex? 8 vertex. And how many edges? 12 edges. So this brick has same as cuboid shape. So in this brick itself we can make a more pattern. Look at this image. This brick we can make a more pattern. So what is meant by patterns? An arrangement of line, shape, color, etc. as a design. So these are called a pattern. Look at this wall. Which wall is a stronger? Zainab or Munia wall? Zainab wall. Why? Masons also made a building arranged in the brick like a. So Zainab wall will be stronger. It will not fall easily. So which wall is stronger? Zainab or Munia wall? Zainab wall will be stronger. So on the next, jelly pattern. Jelly pattern means it is a small gap pattern. Look at the image. They made small gap in this pattern. So we can say jelly pattern. And then next, Zaroha pattern. Zaroha pattern means it is a big gap pattern. So look at the image. They make an arch inside having big gap. So this we can say Zaroha pattern. And then next, look at this image. Different kinds of bricks are there. So which of these bricks have curved edges? So this one you want to note down in your notebook. How many faces do you see the longest brick? Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? So look at the questions carefully. Which of these bricks have curved edges? How many faces do you see of the longest brick? Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? So look at the image and find the answer. Okay, children? And then next, what is this? Can you guess? This is chimney. Can you guess how high is the chimney here? So about 5 meters, about 15 meters, about 50 meters. So which one is correct? So note down in your notebook. Okay, children. And then next, look at the sum. We will solve now. Find out. Look at these photos and guess how many bricks are carried by this truck. Any guess? Note down the answer. Also find out from a truck driver how many bricks they can carry in one truck. So you want to calculate Baijan buys bricks. So Baijan went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1000 bricks. So in the tabular column, it's calculated 1000 bricks like old bricks. How much rupees it is? 1200. So 1000 bricks for 1200. New bricks from Interpur. How many rupees it is given? 1800 for 1000 bricks. And then new bricks from Brickabad. Rupees 2000 for 1000 bricks. So look at here. Old bricks, how much I said? Rupees 1200. And then new bricks from Interpur. Rupees 1800. New bricks from Brickabad. Rupees 2000. So you want to calculate Vajan decided to buy the new bricks from Brickabed. He bought 3,000 bricks. How much did he pay? So he bought 3,000 bricks. What type of brick? New bricks from Brickabed. New bricks from Brickabed, how much it is given? Look at here, tabular column. Rupees 2,000 for 1,000 bricks. That is 1,000 bricks. How much they said? 2,000 rupees. So he bought 3,000 bricks totally. So you want to find the answer. How much did he pay? Look at here. Cost of one brick from Brickabed. So you want to find one brick how much like. So rupees 2,000 divided by 1,000 bricks equal to. So how you want to calculate? Look at here. 2,000 divided by 1,000. So you want to cancel the 0, numerator 10 and denominator 10. And then next step, again one more 0 in numerator and one more 0 in denominator. You want to cancel like that. And then next, one more 0 was there. 10 in numerator and 10 in denominator you want to cancel. So every zeros we cancelled. At last what answer you wanted? 2 by 1. That is mean you want to write 2. So how much rupee for one brick? Rupees 2. And then next, cost of 3,000 bricks you want to calculate. So one brick how much? We got the answer. Rupees 2. So you want to calculate cost of 3,000 bricks. So you want to multiply with this answer. Rupees 2 multiply 3,000. 2 into 3,000. So how you want to multiply? 2,000 into 3. First you want to multiply from ones. 0 threes are 0. Next, tens place. 0 threes are 0. And then hundreds place. 0 threes are 0. And then thousand place. 2 threes are 6. So how much rupees you got it? 6,000 rupees. So 2 into 3,000 equal to how much rupees? 6,000 rupees. So how much did he pay? How much did he pay? Rupees 6,000. So you want to note down the answer, rupees 6,000. And guess what he will pay if he buys 500 old bricks. 500 old bricks. Look at here. The cost of 1,000 old bricks, how much it is given? Rupees 1,200. And Bhajan bought 500 old bricks alone. But already mentioned 1,000 old bricks, rupees 1,200. So in this Bhajan bought only half of this. 1,000 half how much? 500. So in this 1,200 you want to divide it by 2. How you want to do this multiplication, division? 1,200 divided by 2. First you want to take one digit. It's not possible to divide. So again you want to take two digits. So how many 2's are in this 12? How many 2's are there? Can you say? 1 2 is 2. 2 2's are 4. 3 2's are 6. 4 2's are 8. 5 2's are 10. And 6 2's are 12. So 6 times are there. So next you want to write 6 2's are 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So that remainder we got 0. And then remaining zeros where you want to write? You want to write in that question. So how much rupees you got it? 500 old bricks is rupees 600. Okay children. You also try this sum and do it in your rough note. And next, your homework time. Find out the size of your brick. Have you seen bricks of different sizes? So take one brick and you want to measure it. How long is it? How wide is it? How high is it? Okay, children. And then next, process of brick making. Look at the picture and write the correct order. So look at the picture and you want to write the correct order. Okay, children. We will meet in that next class.